I'm here to raise 5 issues about these deferring loan repayment situations. Many people think that's the government's assistance to rescue people. Actually, we need to use our analytical brain to think they are not. First one is that the system is designed to help us in this chaotic pandemic situation, but it's not. This deferring system has been existing in the banking industry for a long time. The bank had to protect themselves due to this impact. It's a widely national-wise or global-wise. If they don't take any actions to assist people release this pressure, they will have a lot of bad debts. And they also have to have insurance. They have insurance to cover them. Second, about this deferring, as I said, the bank is not a charity. They're not a charity organization here to assist us not to pay. Instead, we can defer the repayment for 6 months, but the interest is still payable, and it's on the compound interest. Compound interest, it's a very scary word. A lot of people in the history, that in the past, they have been burned by this compound interest. So do not fall into these traps. Third, the bank do not just automatically delay the payment for you, and they're waiting for you to apply for. When you send the application form in, not necessarily your application will be successful. Even if it's successful, it might not be necessary to reach the outcome that you are expecting. The worst situation is that once you apply for, and this record will be remain in your file, it will affecting your future borrowing capacity, affecting the interest rate that you'll be getting, affecting your credit card applications, and all so on and so on. So if you're not in a really worst situations, I do not recommend you to defer this loan repayment. It's not really a holiday. It's not really a rescue. It's a big risk. Unless the government take their red tapes off and scrape off this that everybody don't have to pay these compound interests. But do you think the bank will say yes? Is it likely to be the case? You think about it yourself. The third, the bank will do assessment on your cases, applications to assess, carry on the periodical assessment on your repayment ability, and to check on you to see whether you had the long-term and short-term payment ability. Once again, as I said, this will be in the record, and I would not recommend you to take this offer. Fourth, this deferral repayment had all other additional hidden costs, such as application fee and setup fees and all that. You need to look at the small print. Make sure that it will not be overwhelming above the amount that you cannot pay. So lastly, the payment is not a one-off system. It's not temporary. Some people think it might be temporary, it's one-off. Anyways, a lot of trapping there, and you have to be aware of the situation you're in, and just do not just take it. Think twice before you take action. Thank you for watching.